Hi guys, and welcome back. Here are the basics in Adobe Photoshop that you can learn so that you can start editing your pictures. If you are a beginner and then you want to start editing your pictures using Photoshop, all you gotta do is to create a new, file. Click on create new, and then you gotta pick one of these, dimensions for photo purposes, for printing, illustration, web design, mobile, or film and video. But I'd like you, I'd like to use 1080p. Double click on it. Once you've created a new file with 1080p resolution, let's say if you want to edit a picture of a garden with a hummingbird. Drag the images of garden and this hummingbird. It may be too large. To resize an image in the layer, Control T, select the layer first, Control T, and then hold the Shift key so that, the dimension is regular when you're zooming the picture in, just like so. And then let's add this hummingbird and then, have a cutout version of this hummingbird by removing the background. Drag it into the project, and then you can click on select subject. To select just the hummingbird, just like so. Control C, Control V. Fancy, right? But we need to remove this gap between the legs. Click on the magic wand tool, select this, and then hit delete. Hit delete again, and then so that you can actually smoothen the edges of this hummingbird by adding feather. Click on the magic wand tool, and then hit Shift F6 on your keyboard, and then set the radius to 1. Enter, and then delete several times until the edges are smooth. That's smooth. That's nice. Fancy, isn't it? Here is the tool panel. You can, use the polygonal lasso tool to cut some parts of the bird. Close the curve, hit delete. If you want to invert the mask or the selection area, Control Shift I, and then delete, leaving the tail. Easy, isn't it? You can, use the lasso tool so that you can actually remove the body manually. Hit delete. It's only the head. You can, put it on the mountain area. You can use the brush to paint, or use the eraser to, delete some parts of the bird's head. Fancy, right? Control Z to undo. Alright, we have our bird back, just like this. Fancy, right? You can hold the left click button and then use the object selection tool to, let's say, select this bird accurately. Click on the bird. Control C, Control V. There you go. You've selected the bird, just like so. With, more realistic kind of, edges. Because of the motion blur. But in comparison with the one that we just did, though, this is, more accurate. We delete it. And, you want to, edit some parts of the image by doing some tweaks with the layers. Let's say if you want to make it blurry. All you have to do now is to go to filter. This is the filter section. You can do anything. For example, you want to blur it. Head over to Gaussian blur, and then you make it blurry just like so. For the background, pretty easy, right? Then you can even add some noise for some realness. noise, add noise, and then you know, change the value to this. You can make it monochromatic, or you know, make the noise colorful, and then click on OK when you're done. You can also do the same for the bird by adding noise. It's already there. What if you want to, you know, edit individual layers? So let's delete these. So okay. Now when you click on this one, layer masks, and then can say you want to you know, click here so that you can, you know, edit the curves, so that you know the intensity of the shadows. Drag it down so that, you know, the shadow is intensified, and then for the highlights it goes like this. But you know, if you click on this one and then you head over to curve or any of the effects listed here, and then you edit it, you edit the, you know, levels for anything that is in this image. So what if you want to, you know, edit the color of the background, which is the garden? Place this adjustment layer just under the bird, so that, you know, the effect is applied only for the background, just like so. Pretty fancy, isn't it? And then you can even add some text. So to add the text, click on the type tool, and then you want to type, for example, bird. Bird, just like this. You can you know, adjust the kerning, the line spacing, change the font type, just like this. And then to change the color of the text, click on this one, and then let's say if we make it white. And then to place the text, simply, you know, drag it just like this. There you go. You're pretty much done. That's the basics on photo editing in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.